Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech4Gamers. Today in this video we will be learning how to change your avatar on Lords Mobile game. To change your avatar on Lords Mobile, first of all launch open the Lords Mobile game on your device and make sure that you're inside this main home page. After you are inside the main lobby, go to the top left corner and tap on your current avatar. Once you find this page, click on your avatar at the top left once again, and you'll then be able to select your avatar from the list. Some of the avatars will be unlocked after you complete a level. In order to unlock them, you'll need to complete the level so that you can use them as your avatar. But for now, you can select one of the avatar that is already available to you from the menu, choose any unlocked avatar and click on use. So right after you do that, you can get back to the main menu and see that you have a new avatar now. So that is how you easily change your avatar on Lords Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.